This is our CapCut project, and here we want to import our own image or videos or music. So let's see how we can do this thing. So these are the sample music. This is a mp3 file, and this is a video clip, and this is a simple image. So we want to import this thing. In CapCut is very easy to import. There are different options to import it. You can click this import button and then you can go from there. But instead of that, is the easiest way is just open all your media or video or music or image, whatever you want to import. Just select it and drag it and drop it here, and then it will be imported. In this way, if you want to import the other thing, you can also select one by one, or you can select all together and then drag and drop it inside it. It will be imported over there. Like for example, I want to import this music file also. I'm going to click it and I want to put it over there, and it will be imported. And finally, based on our project requirement, we can choose this thing in this timeline to make the video. That's it. In this way, we can easily import any media files like image, music, or mp4 video or any other video in CapCut. And finally, once it is imported over there, we can use it to make our video.